Have you ever wondered what it feels like to hike through one of the most breathtaking landscapes on Earth? Welcome to Norway. Out here, every step takes you further from the noise of the world and deeper into pure nature. From quiet forest paths high above the valleys, adventure waits around every corner. So grab your boots and let's go hiking in Norway.
Good morning. And today we are going on a fun adventure. I'm joined here with Ryan. Hello. We're heading over to a hiking area. We're going to go for a hike today. We'll meet you over there. We've just had some breakfast. We've got everything ready. We've got all our gear. And Ryan's got his white gear.
Snow.
The snow.
Snow.
Yeah.
Ryan, I just want to do a ASMR for you in the snow because I'm sure all the lads will appreciate that. I'm trying to get it in the snow. How do you
Just
feel?
keep
You
it
took us
happy.
the wrong way already. How do you feel, Mr. Hare?
I don't know. I thought we were going to go up into the mountains first, but he wants us to go the other way around.
Maybe we're going up them and then like round as well.
Yeah, that's what he wants us to do.
I mean that is really high. The camera's not doing justice. Is it on 0.5?
Huh?
Is this on like a wide angle lens?
No.
It's not really doing it. Makes everything look really far away, but this camera's not doing it justice. That is high.
It is. That's what I've said to like in Rome. Like all these massive buildings, the camera does not make it look like it's a big building.
No, that does not look high at all. But if I try and get a photo on my phone,
Yeah.
and then you can put a little thing in now. Hopefully that will do it justice.
And there you go. It is very tall.
I'll just take the photo of my iPhone 17 Pro.
Oh wait, is that not an iPhone 17?
No,
That's
no, sorry. I've got 3 cameras. It's a Pro.
It's a
And if you
Pro.
want an 8x zoom photo,
Oh yeah, you can just actually just.
uh,
Wow.
we'll just put that one in now.
Thanks for making me edit so much more now.
Yeah. Deep here. Fucking hell.
Alright, we're gonna.
You know I said I want to be knee deep in snow?
Yeah, that's what you wanted.
Yeah, I've accomplished that.
Oh my god. Oh, my socks are wet now.
Is it?
Yeah.
Your Gore-Tex clean isn't as good as mine.
No. Like the actual shoes are fine, but it's the top part. But how do you? That's so good.
Why did I walk up here?
Hey guys, we found an icicle. That sounded.
Why did you do? That is rock solid.
Unless
That
we
is
do that
not
and cause an
great.
avalanche.
Yeah. That is not.
Look at this.
That's ridiculous.
You do not want that to fall on you.
Why are you trying to eat it? Mate, this is not safe to eat. It's like ice.
Tastes like ice.
Really cold though.
Nice though. That's satisfying.
That was nice.
Anyway, we'll get back up to you once we're when we're actually in the snow. So we'll see you there.
We're climbing again.
But it's literally just us. And the thing is, if you do like a little hey, it barely echoes because it's all just snow. And that's so cool. Look, we're not just a travelling channel, guys. We're also an educational, geographical channel.
Yeah, you're talking science. There's no echoes because it's snowing.
Yeah.
There we go.
And I did actually get a B in science.
Did you?
Combined science.
Oh.
It's good enough.
I've got a C, so.
See, I know what I'm on about. Snow stops echo. You're looking at our plan. Ryan said that we're not far behind schedule. Have a look at that.
Okay, we've got a long way to go. Yeah, but considering how long it said it would take,
Yeah, true.
we've added on an extra hour for bad weather.
Cool.
So,
Yeah.
so I think we'll be okay. Don't worry, Mateo. you're not going to miss your cock appointment.
I want my cock appointment. Ryan, do you want to explain what we actually booked?
It is a floating sauna.
Yeah.
So Matteo can get nice and sweaty.
Yeah.
And then you're meant to basically doing like a cold plunge in, well, what I thought was a lake, but it's actually the sea, because we discovered a cruise ship that somehow got there. And then we're probably going to go back in the sauna to get hot again, because if it's minus, what, 10, whatever it is, minus 9,
Yeah.
you said?
When the time that we go, it'll be about minus 11.
Yeah. The sea's going to be freezing.
Yeah.
So then we'll probably go back in the sauna to warm up. But after this hike, it'd be nice to
Yeah.
bit of muscle recovery. And
Sorry, this looks beautiful. Can you just pan the camera down that?
Wait,
Look at
ready?
The smile I was doing. Look at that. It does all look the same, but it's just so pretty because we don't see this in the UK. It's like Santa's land. All right, so this is actually completely flat right now. You can actually see how steep it is compared to like Ryan and the slope.
Yeah, if you think, well, I'm going to say 6 foot, and eye level is like a metre in front of me.
Yeah.
So that means
45
it's probably about,
degree.
yeah, 45-degree angle.
About that, yeah. That's mental. All right, let's carry on. We're doing this. How are you feeling, Ryan?
Feeling fucking amazing.
Yeah? We're actually going to do this in 2 hours. Not even 2 hours, we're going to do it in an hour. Yeah? 10K in 1 hour.
Oh, we'll just stop for a minute.
Oh my God. That is beautiful. I'm going to crop into that actually, and then you can have a look at that.
Do you want a landscape or a portrait photo?
We'll do a portrait. No,
A landscape for the video. We'll put it in now.
We have found the viewpoint.
Real.
This is the top of the entire place. Oh wow. How beautiful is this?
Hello.
Look at that.
That's ridiculous, isn't it? That makes it so worthwhile.
Look at this. Look at that, Ryan. Have a look at this. Thumbs up. And then hands up in the sky and we'll do a little woo. All right, I think this is probably a drone moment here.
It's got to be a drone moment, isn't it?
We're gonna get some footage and we'll get back to you soon. I found a tree underneath me. I'm standing on top of a tree. Not many people can say that. Oh my God.
That's actually like up to your knee.
It's probably actually it's deeper. If there's a tree underneath me, there's a drop and there's literally just no path anymore. Oh my God, they're massive.
That's ridiculous.
Those are huge.
Look at that.
Oh my God. Oh.
Try and smash. Oh fuck. I missed it. I missed the tree trunk.
I'm gonna say we only got 2 hours left until the last bus comes.
Oh my God.
Oh.
Oh, I keep missing the fucking
How are you so
tree.
bad at this?
It's actually dangerous. Oh.
Did nothing.
No.
All that for nothing.
All that for... Still on this instead. Are we going the right way?
Yeah, we are.
Fucking hell. Yeah, this is like...
You actually look like the same height as me now. That's so deep. Okay, so right now we're kind of like, not guessing where we are, because I've got it on my watch, but you can't see an actual path really. Like there was this one here that I'm thinking is, we could just be walking on a stream and we wouldn't know. So, all right, we found the lake. Obviously it's frozen over. We have found obviously how deep it is roughly. There's the lake. But this is it. Got to go down here. We've done a little bit of a detour. But it's very, very pretty. But I'm just saying to Ryan, this will look completely different in summer. All right, this is the update vlog. I'm doing it on my phone. We have practically not got lost.
No, we have got lost.
We have got lost. We did make our own trail, and we were following presumably another person's trail. Turns out it was just a deer, because it led up to a bit of shit.
Yeah.
Multiple times. So we're now finding the trail. We've got to be back for a certain time, and that's pretty much it. And it's starting to go sunset. We'll get back for 3:30, and that's when the bus is.
Is it?
Yes, let's start going.
Right.
We'll start going to be quick, but yeah. The walking condition is not good at all. I've probably fallen over and gone knee deep about 20 odd times. But we're doing it all for the vlog. Worst comes to worst, we call mountain rescue. Look, there's a trail. Yeah, I know what I'm saying. Like that's a trail. Yeah. I have recorded the like the area we were just before. We were literally next to a cliff, and that was very dodgy of us. But anything for the vlog, you know. Innit? Right. The vlog we didn't film because it was a bit too sketchy. Like the camera is back in my bag. We took the microphones off. But yeah, so this is literally what we just missed. Yeah, blue trail. Different blue trail, but you know, because my watch kind of died on us. Not died on us, but it like just sort of gave up with the GPS. Compass works, that's the main thing, so we know what direction we need to go if anything else happens. But it is also a digital compass, so if that watch dies, that is just the entire thing just done. That's where you call a mountain rescue, get a helicopter, and that'd be pretty cool. All for the vlog. We're back on a trail now. We'll get back soon, and hopefully our cock appointment is fine. Alright, so we've got the camera back out since we're on an actual trail again. But other than that, we're following this trail. Hopefully it's the right one still. But that was just a bit of an experience. That was a good experience.
It was a little bit scary, I'll be honest.
Yeah, obviously we weren't actually scared because we're men.
Of course not.
We're strong, masculine men. I did say to Ryan, look, worst comes to worst, either we build an igloo or we call mountain rescue. I would have preferred to build an igloo.
Yeah, essentially.
We hopefully do get back in time. It takes us an hour to walk back to the station from here. But we are going to try to get our pace back up once it's all downhill. Because we actually did lose a lot of time just getting lost. But this is our view.
I mean, there's worse places to have to turn around, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like, I mean, look at that for a view. And I'm not just talking about Matteo, I mean the landscape.
We have found a river that you have to walk across, so let's hope Ryan doesn't fall through. Very cool. If you are enjoying this video, please like the video, it will help out a lot, as well as subscribing. That'll be even more appreciative. And if you want to go the extra mile, you can make a comment on what your thoughts are of this trip so far. Alright, we've made it into a bus now, and literally we did miss the bus stop, but he's driving back down, and he's such a legend because he actually picked us up from the side of the road. It feels so nice to sit down right now. The camera's fogging up because my camera's so cold right now. I'm saying right now a lot.
Ice around my front.
Yeah. You've actually iced up. Oh. Yeah, so we've got like a nice long bus journey. Yeah, and we'll carry on and get back home soon. We're gonna head over to the sauna, have a nice relaxing time for like an hour and a half, and then probably get some more food.
And we'll see you in the cold water.
Go on. Go on. Go on. Go on, be a stud. Go on. Go on.
Oh, mate, it's actually clumps of ice.
You can do it, come on. Deep breaths, deep breaths, deep breaths, deep breaths.
No, that's what I can do. You put it head in. Mate, that's...
Fuck me, that's cold. Okay, it's a bit hot and steamy in here. Yeah. We're at Cock right now. As you can tell from the previous things, Ryan has got himself a beer. I've always got myself a beer. And what we're going to do, we are going to down the beer while we're in the water, and you can't leave, or it's steaming. You can't leave until you actually down the entire beer. So, Ryan,
Without further ado,
let's get into it.
fuck.
Go on, Ryan.
This is such a bad
Go on, you can do it. You can do it.
Hold on to me.
Go. We like to drink with Ryan because Ryan is our mate. No.
I can't breathe.
Won't we drink with Ryan? He gets it down in 8, 7, 6. Oh, my feet are freezing now. Go on, you got it. Beautiful.
I'm actually shaking.
We won't go in anymore.
Joe, wait a minute for yours.
Okay.
That can't be good for you. Just give me a minute.
Right, we'll go back out for me. Ryan.
Right, it's now Mateo's turn.
It's in the name of God, my saviour. Oh, I just stood on ice.
Fair play. Fair play, that's actually really good.
Oh. Oh my god, that's so cool. Alright, so just so you all get a little view of what it looks like. It's like a nice little area. They've got a little fire pit over here, and then just hanging lights literally everywhere. Where we were at was obviously, it's just that end one just over there with the green light back there. Very cold, very, very cold. But it was actually great fun. I actually found that enjoyable.
Yeah, that was really good. Like,
So, you know what, I actually think that was a really like fun experience. Because
first thing's like, I feel good for doing it, do you know what I mean? So
Yeah.
I'd recommend it to someone coming here.
we're gonna go get a nice big greasy burger.
The cock.
After cock. Either way, we're gonna meet you over at this burger joint because we're so American. Okay, so we found the burger joint. Good chip.
Chip's good. The special sauce is very
Yeah,
good.
he's having special sauce as well.
It was called special sauce. We're not just calling it that.
Mine hasn't either. I think it's at the bottom of the burger. How's that? Yeah? Good.
That is a greasy burger.
That's a greasy burger. That's nice with onion.
But vlog, I do have to let you know, he did get it well done.
Yeah.
What man gets meat or steak or beef well done?
I get medium rare.
Well, why did you get medium rare?
Because they didn't do medium rare.
They did medium, that's close enough.
Yeah. Either way, very good burger. Alright, I'm back in the room. Yes, I actually have forgot about ending the vlog, so that's it. Ryan's just done a poo. But all I'm going to say is thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did enjoy it, please like, comment and subscribe. Again, for like the 20th time.
Yeah,
Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Cozz Country out.